all know he's been so sick. Abantu abasinga mbadde mutandise okusala ekigambo olaba nange nsese wendowooza ku bigambo bye mbadde mwogera ngamba wabula nga ate leero tugenda manya palasa atuuse wana obulwadde buno. Are we even expecting the lion back on set oba bichali bibi n'ebintu ebirala bingi byetwetaza okuba nga tumanya kama Ivan management, then we hear of his management of recent yasainiza omwala n'ebirala bingi byotalina kusubwa ku show ya leero. Wabula ate omukulu Dr. Hamza mukwano eyayala n'omwana tunatugamba bino sibirabangako omusawo omugwati mu ggwanga Uganda amitinza omukulembeze w'eggwanga His Excellence Yoweri Kaguta Museveni n'abasawo abalala w'ebityo ebitambudde nandyagadde owulye ku mboozi y'omukulembeze n'abasawo bano wabula nga ate bawa Rema n'amakula abadde mu basawo abamitinza omukulembeze w'eggwanga.
What attracts 10% tax are what we call intermediate products, something which is not raw material, not simple raw material, but already processed or already semi-processed.
Yes, Your Excellency.
That one is 10%, but it can also be suspended.
Thank you, sir.
For about some years. The idea of the 10%, raw materials, it is zero tax. But the intermediate products, it is 10%. And the idea is to encourage people to make the intermediate products here within East Africa. That is the idea.
Yes, Your Excellency.
But provided there is that medium-term commitment that you will work with others to produce. The clay is also under there. In those swamps, the clay would be there.
Yes, Your Excellency.
So the question is, how will you get the clay on a big scale? Because in the past, the villagers were getting clay, but on a small scale.
Yes, Your Excellency.
Now, when you get it on a big scale, I don't know how you can do it without undermining the river. What ideas do you have?
So, Your Excellency, if I may, all these 5 clusters that we want to build, for example, in India, these 5 clusters in one town that we come from, they employ more than 2.5 million people. And many of the clusters are very women-centric. So that is what we want to replicate here, create more employment for the Ugandan people. And we want to utilize as much as local resources and local raw materials. And wherever and whenever we need to import raw materials from outside, we'd request your office for support for the duty-free import of the raw materials so we can produce it more efficiently and export it to the nearby countries. That would be a request from our side to help, in our production.
Okay, webityo webyatambudde emboozi bwetyo bwetambudde makati g'abasawo ono omukulembeze w'eggwanga nsuubira wa muganda waffe w'omuyimbi w'eggwanga Rema n'amakula mulabye tukutumirako Rema webali kubanga ate mukwano ekintu kya lavo kitambuza n'amaanyi nsuubira bangi muyigira ku Rema n'amakula ne baawe abasinga nga mwayogera tumanyi dokita munnange essaawa yonna abamuta wabula ate balemeddeko ku nsonga ze